Introducing the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a tonneau cover, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.